Hi guys, it's been a while and today I want to share with you all the look that I've been using for most of my 2018. This is the look I wear for work and when I do my errands and basically my everyday kind of makeup. So I start with applying aloe vera mist on my face just to moisturize it a little bit. I've been lacking a lot of sleep lately, so I'm gonna apply some eye serum and this will help make my eyes look more alive and awake. On a normal day, if my skin feels really good, I usually skip the foundation and go ahead straight to my concealer. I like to use my brush to blend first, so I wet it a little bit and then after that I use my beauty blender to blend some more. I am applying my cream blush on my cheeks and on the bridge of my nose. Now I'm gonna go ahead and contour my face. I am going to set the makeup in place by applying some translucent powder. If you haven't seen my eyebrow tutorial yet, I suggest you go do that because I have more detailed instructions there. I'm using this other cream blush on my lids. And now using a smaller crease brush, I'm getting this warm peach color and applying it on the outer corners of my eyes. And now I'm going to take this soft lavender color and apply it directly on my crease. Using a flat brush, I'm taking this cream color and apply it on my lids. Then I go ahead and apply my favorite black eyeliner. I like to apply it as close to my lash line as possible. Now it's time to flick off the excess powder. Then I go ahead and curl my lashes and apply a generous amount of mascara. I like to brighten up my eyes by applying this highlighter on the inner corners of my eyes. So I'm using this other mascara with a smaller brush, then I go ahead and apply on my lower lashes. Once the mascara from earlier dries up, I like to curl my lashes again and apply another coat of mascara. This is my secret to the perfect curled lashes. Now I'm going to add some more bronzer. I'm applying some powder brush this time, so I'm using this soft rose shade. I always put a generous amount of lip balm before I put in some products. Just using my fingers, I like to apply this lightly on my lips. I usually like to finish it off with a gloss. To set all the makeup in place, I usually like to apply a generous amount of makeup setting spray. And that's it, you guys, we're done with the look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want more videos like this, then just hit subscribe.